Smartphone manufacturers invest both time and resources to improvise the design and overall look and feel of their smartphones. That said, once a smartphone enters the real world and experiences regular day-to-day usage, its beauty starts degrading. To solve the issue, most people rely on smartphone covers or cases. Well, even I use smartphone covers. The first one was a transparent case that added bulk and made it difficult to press the power button and control the volume rocker buttons. Next up, I got a case that had a carbon fiber texture and cut out for the buttons. Even though this case also added bulk, I still use it. Lastly, I got a thin case for my secondary smartphone. That solved most issues, but then I wasn't able to get the design of my choice. Hence, smartphone cases always have one or the other issue. Consequently, I bought a matte black skin that reduced the bulk, protected my phone and made it look much better. The skin that you just saw was from SkinBar. It's a skin brand based in Mumbai, Maharashtra. SkinBar produces premium quality skins that easily stick to your smartphone. As you can see, these skins are precisely cut and are available at relatively cheaper prices. The material feels premium and doesn't leave any mark while removing the skin. Furthermore, SkinBar also claims that they have skins for more than 6,000 phones. Hence, finding a skin for your smartphone won't be an issue. The quality of the skin is impressive and it can even sustain water splashes. So, if you want a skin that protects your smartphone and makes it look much better, then SkinBar will definitely impress you. To order a skin, simply leave a message to SkinBar either on Instagram or WhatsApp. You can find the link for both in the description. Lastly, you can avail 10% discount on your skin by using the code 8010. So that's pretty much it for today's video. As always, thanks a lot for watching and I will see you soon.